Welcome to my video. This is Mr. Crowley, and today we're going to be doing a video on levers. Levers is part of our simple machines unit, and a lever is one of the simple machines that helps us move a load or lift a load with less force. The force can be me or you, or the force in this case can be a washer. So at the end of the video, hopefully we'll be able to know how we can take a load that's heavier than the force and lift it with as little forces we can use. So here we go. Now when we get to here, you can see that I've got the lever completed, but our load, which is the one closest to the table, is much heavier than our force, which is hanging in the air at the top. So we need to find out what we need to do to get this so that we can lift this load. Like I said, the force is one washer, and it's hanging on one end on the right side of the lever that we've built. And our load, it's on the other end, and it's the three washers, and it's heavier. So we need to be able to do work to move this, to lift it. And our fulcrum, of course, is in the middle, and a fulcrum is the pivot point at which the lever moves around. So we know there again that a simple machine, a lever, is something that we use to do work on a load or do work to use as little force as we can. So you see here, we finally got it to balance. So what exactly did I do to get the force and the load to balance? Because the load didn't change, it's still the same weight, still the same amount, and the force is still the same thing. And you can think in terms of a seesaw with this. So here we go. You can notice on the load side, I've changed the distance between the fulcrum and the load. It's shorter, so I've decreased it. And when by doing that, voila, that way you can make it balance. So to lift that load, we had to decrease the distance between the fulcrum and the load.